Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you guys how to make the famous breakable heart, but Father's Day edition. So what you will be needing is a silicone heart. You can usually get it off of Amazon. You will be needing white chocolate. In this case, I'm using Merkin's. A pastry brush, food coloring. You will need a box with some crinkled paper and a wooden mallet. I will leave links down below in the description on where you can get these items. So first thing you're going to do is take your white chocolate and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So after the 30 seconds, you're going to take it out and start mixing it. And once you are done mixing it, you're going to put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So you're going to do the same thing, just mix, and once you're done mixing, you're going to put it in the microwave for 15 seconds instead of 30 seconds. Once it's done, you are going to mix it one more time and put it in the microwave for another 15 seconds. Once that's done, you will see some lumps in the chocolate, but that's just because some of the chocolate isn't melted. So you're going to keep stirring until you have a water-based like consistency, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So this is the consistency that you are going to want your chocolate to get to. In this part, I did add white chocolate into another bowl since I will be using that later. This is totally optional, you do not have to do it. But you will be adding food coloring. This food coloring is my favorite. It's Color Mill. You can get it off their website in color royal blue. It is an oil-based food coloring, so it will not mess up your chocolate at all. When adding the food coloring, it definitely is going to take a long time to get to the color that you want. I used about 10 to 11 drops of this, but it honestly depends on what color you're trying to achieve. So after finishing, this is what I got. It's a lovely royal blue color. Now with this part, you're going to want to grab your heart mold and start putting your chocolate inside of it. Once you do that, you're going to want to start putting the chocolate on all of the edges. You do not have to do it exactly how I'm doing it. You can definitely take the pastry brush and start brushing all the sides with the chocolate, but it's honestly your preference on what you want to do. Once you get all the edges, the leftover chocolate that's in the heart, you're going to want to put it back inside the bowl. After doing this, you are going to put it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes so that the chocolate can harden. Once the 15 minutes is up, you're going to take it out of the fridge and start applying a second layer of chocolate. Put it back in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Now with this part, all we're really going to do is just get the edges so that it strengthens the heart, so when we take it apart, it does not break. Place in the fridge for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now that it's fully hardened, you're going to take the heart and pull the sides away from the chocolate. the leftover white chocolate from earlier, I'm going to add it to a ziploc bag, and what I'm going to be doing is use my letter mold to spell out words that I'm going to be adding to the breakable heart. Once I'm finished, I add in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now onto our packaging. I will be using this box. I got it from brpboxes.com. I will leave a link down below on which box it is. You will need a wooden mallet. I got mine off of eBay. I will also link that down below. And you will also need crinkle paper. You can get this from any craft store, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's. Once you take the words out of the freezer, you're going to want to start adding to the heart. It is always good to make extra letters just in case some of them break or some of them don't look good. Now this part is totally optional. You do not have to add this, or you can definitely add strawberries or a different option of your choice. But I thought that the pretzels would actually look good with the breakable heart. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye!